You're watching your favorite YouTuber, and the question hits you. How much money is this making them? Well, I'm about to show you a secret tool that gives you a data-driven estimate, and it works right inside your browser. The tool is called vidIQ. Head to the Chrome Web Store, search for vidIQ Vision, and add the free extension. Once it's installed, you'll see the vidIQ dashboard appear next to any YouTube video you watch. Here's the key. On that dashboard, look for the estimated monthly earnings card. vidIQ analyzes public data like views, engagement, and niche to calculate a realistic range. Just click on the card for a more detailed breakdown.